Hi everybody, I'm here to read you a story called Rumble in the Jungle, written by Britta Tekentump. Rumble in the Jungle. The jungle was quiet and peaceful. Lion was asleep, crocodile was swaying with the ripples on the river, giraffe was nibbling leaves, and monkey was swinging between two vines. Suddenly there was a tug on one of his vines, and monkey somersaulted into the river with a splash. "What was that?" he cried. Looking up, all he could see was four long legs. It was giraffe munching on a vine. Monkey's vine. "Go back to your leaves," screeched Monkey. "Vines are for swinging." "There's lots of vines in the jungle. Find another," answered Giraffe. But Monkey was pulling on one end of the vine. "I had it first," he shouted. His friends and family lined up to help him pull, and Giraffe slipped. Crocodile came to her rescue, wrapping the vine around his strong tail. "No one can beat me," he boasted. "I can," said a deep voice, and down the river climbed another crocodile. They glared at each other. "Let's see who's stronger," they grumbled, tugging at opposite ends. Rhinoceros thumped up. "Oh, a good fight!" And he wrapped the end of Giraffe's vine around his horn and began to pull. Monkey's side started to slip. "This isn't fair," thought Elephant, who had been watching, wrapping her trunk around the vine on Monkey's side. She heaved. So strong. All the day long, the animals pulled and tugged. First one side slipped a little, then the other side slipped a little. Back and forth they went. By the end of the afternoon, Zebra, Tiger, and Warthog were tugging too, and Parrot was cheering for both sides. The sun went down and the moon rose up. They were all still tugging. "I'll never give up," grunted Monkey. "Oh, yes, you will," gasped Giraffe. And at that moment, snap! The end. And that was Rumble in the Jungle.